Hey guys, I gotta be real for a second. Why do you treat small creators like they're nothing? Like, like seriously, I'm trying to, like, some people have 0 subscribers and they're trying to get at least one. Their dream is to get a lot of subscribers, so why do you not care about them that much? Like, I understand if you can, but like, to the people that can, like, why do you not do it? Like, just hit a like or subscribe to them. Just so, because that will make their day.